Hey guys, I am going to show you a couple of things that I have bookmarked on my Diigo that I find to be useful. The first one I'm going to show you is Edutopia, which I already have open. So the article that I linked specifically is this one about student motivation, which I actually used in my classroom management plan. So it's just a good article about how to create motivation, different types of motivation, etc., etc. But Edutopia in general has a ton of different things like this. You can go to different topics like new teachers, social emotional learning, et cetera, et cetera. But it's just a ton of really great articles for new ideas for your classroom management plan or for how you're going to assess learning, how you're going to structure your learning, things like that. So it's kind of a lot about like classroom prep, organization, management, motivation, things like that. So I think that's really helpful. It's pretty cool. Another one I'm going to show you, which I really find to be interesting, is this one, tolerance.org. So I've already fast forwarded up here in the resources to the learning plans. Now this tolerance.org teaching tolerance is basically ideas for teaching some of the sticky topics that can be kind of controversial or kind of hard to teach without upsetting people. So it's kind of some plans that people have already come up with. So I pre-sorted it to high school. I picked the subject of immigration. And then you can just scroll through and kind of see some lesson plans that people have already created. So just to show you one, I think this one, Exploring Diversity Through Oral History. If you open it, it has some essential questions, some texts you can read, a video to go along with the lesson, and then it has some teaching ideas, some word work, some activities for the students to do. And then it has some tasks, do something, be the change. It's just fun ideas. But it has all sorts of different topics from bullying to immigration to gender equality, things like that. Just all the controversial topics that you'll see in your classroom, but you might not necessarily know how to teach without being controversial, I guess. And I have other things, TED Talks, TED videos, creating lessons around TED videos. That one's pretty cool. But I'm sure a lot of you have probably already seen that one. So that's a little look at my Diigo, and hopefully those will be helpful for you guys.